Hi, good morning. Today I'll be talking on the difference between concentration and meditation because somehow the meaning is all jumbled up and mumbled up. We get confused between the idea that meditation is similar to concentration. In fact, it's the polar opposite. In concentration, the focus, the awareness, the attention is on the outside. In meditation, the awareness is of the inside. That's the basic difference. And concentration is always thought to be meditation, but concentration is not meditation at all. It's just the opposite of meditation. Concentration is a mind phenomenon. It happens to the mind. I'm not denying the strength of concentration. Of course, concentration has its own merits. When we are doing a scientific discovery or a scientific function, concentration is what is required. And concentration doesn't expand us. Meditation expands us. Meditation is simply not focusing on anything, not even on God or the idea of God. It excludes everything, anything and everything. In meditation, we relax. In concentration, we become tense. So the idea that in meditation, we have to concentrate on something is a falsehood. In fact, it's emptying of everything. That's the basic difference. I hope that will clear it. And if there is any questions, of course, you can get in touch with me. Thank you.